Grant County doctor who's now under investigation, Dr. William David Moore, is accused of inappropriately touching patients during exams and taking pictures without permission. Dr. Moore is currently the health officer for Grant County and also an OBGYN.
He's being investigated by the Attorney General's office and Indiana State Police. And on Thursday, the Medical Licensing Board will meet on the status of his medical license. Earlier today, the health department met to talk about the next steps. And Debbie Knox with our partner station CBS 4 was there and spoke with a group of patients who wanted to make their presence known to county officials.
The Grant County Health Department had to meet in a very fast executive session today to start the process of finding a new leader for this department. And they were greeted by a number of victims of Dr. Moore. A group of people, some wearing T-shirts showing their support for the patients of Dr. Moore, attended a meeting in the Grant County offices Monday afternoon. Just before the meeting started, one former patient of Dr. Moore's agreed to sit down with me and tell me what her experience had been as a patient, specifically having a breast exam.
When he would do the left side, put your arm back, he would feel around, and then, I don't really know how to say, he would squeeze your nipple. Not once, not twice, but enough that it would wake everything there up. Like, it was very uncomfortable, and there was eye contact.
This woman has been a patient of Dr. Moore's for over 20 years. She admitted he had a good bedside manner, but for her last few appointments, she had her mother accompany her. Even then, she felt what she went through was not right.
After he would do a PAP, he would remove the speculum, and he would stand up in front of me and insert 2 fingers, and I always thought it was weird.
One young woman who was there to support her boyfriend's mother told us she wanted these women to be heard, and she wants justice for them.
I think what this man has done to them is repulsive and disgusting. I don't think he should have a medical license.
Dr. Moore is not without his supporters. One woman who showed up but did not attend tonight's meeting says she has been a patient of Dr. Moore's for 18 years and feels the criticism is unfair.
He's just a very gentle man, and I trust him. I trust him a lot. I have no qualms about him at all.
The Grant County Health Department is now looking to form a partnership with a nearby county health department to cover the responsibilities Dr. Moore has left behind. Reporting from Grant County, I'm Debbie Knox.
Dr. Moore goes before the Medical Licensing Board Thursday morning, so we'll let you know what happens there. We first broke this story last week on Fox59.com. There, you can find all of our coverage of this investigation online. Now, the